As you can see from the calves and the greenery, I'm back down in Gippsland. It took me a few days to recover from the heat and the humidity up north, so I'm just out ticking the legs over on one of the home loops up Embleton's Road. I've got a hill ride lined up with Thomas later in the week, so I better get at least a couple of miles into the legs. Nice to be back on these shady Gippsland roads, where when you're descending at least you get a cool breeze brushing over your body. That's real nice. I love stopping when I'm out riding. Maybe that's why I'm not a very strong cyclist. I just like riding out somewhere, have a cuppa and a biscuit, you just get a chance to look around. Beautiful birds calling over here, lovely grass heads swaying in the light breeze over there, hard sun on the daisies in the paddock over here. Just slow down and appreciate it. So we're at Blue Rock Dam, not far from my home. And Thomas has plotted a route for us up into the hills.
Yeah, blame me for it.
Up to the top of Mt Tanjil.
Is it Mt Tanjil?
I think it's Mt Tanjil.
Okay.
Anyway, four-wheel drive tracks and walking track.
Yeah.
All right, mate.
Sounds right.
Let's go check it out.
Go.
First poor cyclist, mate.
Yeah.
Wake up call.
Warm up.
Warm up. Good.
Yeah, we're basically here. That's the road.
Oh, we're pushing up the hill. Oh, we're coming up to the top. It's a fire spotting tower. They're dotted all over the ranges here and there in good high spots where they've got a huge range of vision, just to spot any early smoke plumes if a fire gets going and call it in. Oh yeah, that was grinding for me, mate. That was grinding.
694.
694 metres.
Yeah, height.
Yeah.
What goes up goes down.
Excellent, mate. Two hours out and 1 hour back. So Thomas is a elite masters road cyclist, and I'm just a punter, so good workout for me, and he's a good mate, so yeah, real nice.
Well done.
It looks mighty wet and windy out there, but it's another day for a ride. There's strong winds out of the east and driving rain showers. That's a nice big mob of kangaroos, eastern greys. A couple of big males, lots of females and joeys. Really healthy mob. They'll be living in that group of trees behind there and just coming out to graze the paddocks. Super. I'm hardly rolling down the hill into the wind. Completely exposed here. So I've got to pedal down the hill. Recovery ride for Thomas. Merry Christmas, mate.
Another year.
We made it.
Yeah.
Nearly. Good gradient this.
Yeah, wait until around the corner.
Across there you can see the track already.
Yeah. I remember coming down this, it was quite a long way on the dirt.
Yep.
Buzz, Birdie's not joining us, so we'll have to have morning tea on our own, mate. But why does going uphill take so much longer than going downhill? That's what I want to know, eh? Good boy.